Unfolding future with get, mastering phrasal verbs. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to delve into an important and commonly used aspect of English grammar: phrasal verbs with get. We've already explored the use of these verbs in present and past tenses. Now, let's move into the future and discover how they work in future tense. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey into the future. Before we dive into the future tense, let's remind ourselves what phrasal verbs with get are. They are verbs composed of get and another word, usually a preposition or an adverb. For example, get up, get by, and get into are all phrasal verbs. They often carry a meaning different from the simple sum of their parts, making them a bit tricky, but super interesting. In English, we often use the modal verb will to express the future tense. We place will before the base form of the main verb. And there you have it. A sentence in future tense. For instance, I will eat lunch soon. Just like regular verbs, phrasal verbs with get can be used in the future tense by using will before the verb. Here are some examples. 1. Get up. I will get up early tomorrow for the meeting. 2. Get by. We will get by with the resources we have. 3. Get into. She will get into the university of her dreams. Now that we know how to use get phrasal verbs in future tense, it's time to practice. Remember, understanding is the first step, but practice is what truly helps us master a language. Here are some sentences for you to complete. 1. After graduation, I get into my dream career. 2. Don't worry. We get by despite the challenges. 3. My parents get up early to prepare breakfast. That wraps up our lesson on phrasal verbs with get in the future tense. I hope this video was helpful and will make your journey with the English language even more exciting. Remember, practice is key, so don't forget to do the exercise we discussed. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the fascinating world of English. Happy learning!